Let's start with the GATE Physics 2019 paper. This is the question number 2. Here, the Baryon number and Lepton number conservation laws, considering the Baryon number and Lepton number conservation laws, which of the following process is or are allowed? In this reaction, P proton is Baryon. Proton is Baryon. Pi 0 is meson. Electron and electron neutrino is here lepton. So there is lepton number is not conserved and Baryon number is also not conserved. Conservation of Baryon or lepton number means the conservation of Baryon, conservation of Baryon or and lepton number means in any process total Baryon number and total lepton number must be conserved. So we can write for this first reaction, this is Baryon in left hand side, this is Baryon, and in right hand side this is pi 0 meson, and electron and the electron neutrino is lepton. So lepton number and Baryon number is not conserved for this first reaction. Conservation means the total number of lepton number in left hand side and the total number of lepton number in right hand side must be same. And for Baryon number conservation, total number of Baryon number in left hand side and total number of Baryon number in right hand side must be same. For the second reaction, here this electron E plus is lepton and nu E, this is the electron neutrino, is also a lepton, is tending to myon plus myon neutrino. These all are leptons. These both particles in left hand side and the right hand side are leptons. For this E plus, the lepton number is 1, and for this myon, this is electron neutrino, lepton number is 1. This tending to myon plus is lepton number is 1, and for myon neutrino, lepton number is also 1. So lepton number in left hand side and lepton number in right hand side must be same. So this is conserved for this reaction. So answer option C is correct for this question. So if you have any query regarding this question, you can contact us or WhatsApp us in this number. This is 98367 You can contact us or WhatsApp us in this number. This is 98367 So that's all for today.